Hello everyone, welcome all of you in FunnelAnalysts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sales funnel like this. This is a very simple, short, clean landing page, and after someone entering their Gmail address, they will get to the next, and the next page is something look like this. Here's the one video, and then on the bottom here's a survey form. So if I click over here, then he redirect to this form. So I will also show you how to create forms like this using Google Forms. For building this kind of sales funnels, we will use system.ai. So just logged in into the system.ai account, then come on the funnel tab, click over here funnel tabs, and then you will get a dashboard like this. I already created two funnels, that's why here it shows two funnels, but if you don't create any of the funnels, then it will be blank. So first of all, click over here create, and then write down here the funnel name. So I will just write down here lead generation funnel, then I will just select here custom, and then from here I will choose $, then click save. Now click over here lead generation funnel. Then first of all, we need to create a step. So for creating a step, just click here add step, and I will just write down here. So this is the home page, or you can, so I will just make it home page, and from here just choose squeeze and then save. Then here you will got lots of templates, so just select any of the templates, then we will customize the templates and rebuild it. So I will just select this. Then first of all, here just remove the text and write down here home. It's our home. Then click here edit page. Then here let's come up the top, just click the section and then click delete icon, then okay. Same way, just click the sections, click delete. This way delete all the, so deleting all the sections is completed. Now let's drag a sections over here. So if you see this kind of error, here you can see I can't drag the sections over here. So if you also face the same problem, then first of all click over here, then just come over here and then drag the section over here. So you don't need to understand any of the things, what is sections, row and columns. Just drag the sections over here, and from now just scroll down below and click over here, click this section, don't click this row, okay, just click this section, then come over here, and from your content width, from full page make it wide. So if we make it wide, then what would be happen? So now let's make it on full screen. See, the sections area is from this much, but from here if I click the section, if I make it full page, then if I see it on full, then see the sections has been increased, so it wouldn't be very good for the responsiveness. So make sure you make the sections in wide from full page, and see now it's, so for the very first time here we have this marketing island logo and the, so if you want, then we can create it very easy. First of all, I will just copy the image link. If I copy the image address, then the image will be copied. So just come over here, and in this come over here, and we need to add two columns, because here the first one is marketing island, the second one is that, so we need two columns. I will just drag these two columns. So on the very first columns we will drag a, and on the second column we will just drag a just headline, and just click the image, and from here if you have the logo, just click over here, and from your computer just upload the logo or drag the logo over here, then you will get all the logo over here. Then just select any of, so but I have copied the logo, so I will just paste the logo over here. Then see, oh, not here, don't paste the logo on this link, just paste the logo on image, then the logo will be added up. And I will just decrease the size, and I will make the alignment into left, then it will be on the left side. And the same way I will just click over here and double click over here, then just write down here home. From now make the font size in 20 pixel, and from here the font I will just use here enter, and from regular to make it medium, or we can make it semi-bold. And I want to do one thing, I will make all the letter into capital letter. Now just come over here and click here, then it will be go on the right side. And if we see on it a full screen, then see it's going to be, and I think we should make it from semi-bold to medium. Now it's, and now let's add those text and those. Now this is our row, and in this row we have this header section, so I will drag another row. So from here just drag this row over here. In this row here we also need to add two columns, because on the one column we will add this text, and on the right column we will add this. So from here just add these two columns over here, then on here we need to add this text. So first of all we will drag here the headline text, then we have some subtext, so for that we will use this text here, and then we have this email input, and then we have the button. So for that drag this two column, because here we will use the input sections, which is this form input, and here we will add the button. So all the content we have add it here. Now let's add those. So this is the text. I will just copy the text, come over here, double click here, Control V, and the same way copy the text, double click, then Control V, and here the form is email address. So just click over here this input field, and from here select type. Here you can see the input type. From here we need to select the email section, then it will be, and the placeholder text will be email address. And now on the button, let's click the button. Here from the button text will be, just scroll down below. First of all, just remove the subtext, then come over here, the button text will be get it, and scroll down below. Here you can see the background color, so we'll make the background color in. I will just copy the color code. If you have the color code, just copy the color code, then come over here and scroll down below, and from here and then paste the color, then the background will be. Scroll down below, and from here I don't need any border color on the bottom, so I will just click over here. And now first of all I will come over here, from here click over here and Google Fonts, and I will make it intermediate, and the size will be 17 pixels. Now let's customize the padding will be 20 from the top, from the bottom it also will be, and on left and right side make it 20. From here just select the alignment into left, and from here click over here and drag this into, because we need the email section much bigger than the button. Click the button, and on the left and right side here come over here. So padding from the top and bottom, let's make it, and just increase. And now scroll down below, and here you can round it, make it into, then it will be. So if we sit on full screen, let's say it's going to look like very odd. Click over here, then make the alignment side. Also click over here, make the alignment, then it looks a little bit, but here you can see it's from this much, and here it this much. So just click this row, and from here just remove the padding, then it will be the same alignment. Now let's change the font. Click over here and font type. From here just Google Fonts, and from here just write down here, and I will make the font into medium, and can make the size a little bit bigger. 40 is fine. Then just increase the line height, and I should make the font into semi-bold. This text, and from here just make it 7 or make it 8. Come over here Google Fonts, from here type enter, and just make the line height into 20. Now see, it will be clean than before. Now we need to customize this email form. Click over here, and from here just scroll down below. First of all, placeholder color. So if I click over here, the placeholder color will be placeholder color. I will make gray, or I can make it, click outside of the box. Come over here, the background color. So background color is fine, but so for the background color, this color, come over here, background color. So now it's full green, but I will decrease the opacity this much. And now from the text color will also, we can make the text color into this. And from the border, click over here, I will paste the color code, and the border will be so border, full border, and 1 pixel. We see it. Now we just need to make the border radius into rounded corner 100. This one, and we can do one thing. We can do this one, then it will, if it makes, then it will be look like this. And we can do one thing, just click over here, click this one, and then just decrease the font size into little bit small, then it will be look, so it's fine, it's pretty good. Now we will need to add the, so I will just click over here, and from the media sections add the image of, and I will click over here, and I will just copy the same image, copy image address. Then from here I will just paste. Again, if you have your own image, then just click over here and then select files, then from your computer upload the image, but I will just paste, and now it's going to be look like this. Okay, so first of all I will just decrease the sizes of the image. Okay, so now let's make it like this. Now we need to create this second sections, which is featured section. So come over here and click on this section, click here, then it automatically, now from here click the sections, also make the sections into white from full page. Then we need to add here 4 columns, because here we have 4 images. So come over here, click over this row, and here the 4 columns, drag these columns, and here we have 4 images. So I will click the image here, and I will just copy the same image. Let's copy the image addresses and click over here, paste. So I will decrease the sizes of this app, and let's make it center. I will just duplicate this, I will just drag this over here, and now just drag this logo over here, and same way I'll duplicate this and drag this here, same way duplicate and drag this here. Then I will just copy these image addresses, then I come over here, then I will just paste the same way, copy this one, come over here, click and paste the URL over. Same thing I will do over here, click over here, it's done. Now it's going to be look like this. Now for the headline text, as featured /mention, so So I'll just copy the text and here click over here and then just drag the headline text, then double click and paste, and just from here I will Google Fonts, let's make it Inter, and let's make the size, and I will make the font style into medium 500. Now sit on full screen mode. I will do one thing, just click these sections and I will make the section color into another color like these colors, but we will not use the same color because this color is not look so clean, but we will make it more clean. So I will come over here and I will copy the color code from here. I will just come over here background color and I will just paste the color code. I will make the top version of this very top closer to the white, and if I make it full screens, then see it's similar to the white but it's a greenish shade, and now it's much cleaner. I will do one thing, I will just come over here and I will make it a little bit more green, and I think it's fine, but better. And now we need to make the image into like this. So for that, click the image. I will make the image size into little bit better and click the section, and on the padding sections from the bottom make it, and now click this row. Okay, click this entire row, and from here click here and then from the bottom make it. Okay, let's click over here. These sections have some padding, and from the bottom let's make it 0. Then it would be look like this. Now we will do some more thing. Click over here and click this row. Okay, click this row and add some padding on bottom. On the bottom we can make it 20 pixels, add little bit, so let's make it 35, and now it's defined. Okay, now click over here and and our homepage is done, and our homepage looks much cleaner than the original one. And come over, click the image and make the size, let's make it bigger. Or now let's save changes. Now let's see the preview. See, it's going to which one is better. Our one is than the original. Okay, now let's create the second page. Here he added a video and then this survey book. Creating this is very easy. So now let's from this, and now here step, and this is the next step. What is congrats? We will also select the squeeze page and click save. And the same way you can do one thing, just get the original one, delete this one, then make it congrats, the name be click here, hit page, and here you can. So I will delete this, click the row, the same way click the row. Let's copy the text, add the text over here, and I will this sections and delete the same way section. Now we need to add the headline text, copy the text, and I will just click here and double click here, Control V, and the text will be added over here. The second text, the first text, and from here first of all decrease the padding from bottom and also from the top, and from here make the font size into 40. Now this is our subtext 17 pixel or 18 ruler it's going to be. And now we need to add the video sections. Come over here, let's add another row over here. After click the row, click over here and then just drag the video over, and from here you can add video by two ways. Click over here and then just from here upload the file. You can upload the file from, but I will do one thing. I will just copy the link from our YouTube analyst. From here, let's say I want to add this, so I will just right click here and then click link address, then come over here, then I will just paste the link, then our video will be added up. Now let's make the size, so we're making the size smaller. Click over here, margin from the left and right side. From the left side make it 100 pixel, and on the right side it would be more smaller. And if you need to make it more small, then just increase the size from the left and right side, so you can make it 100 by 100. If you add the custom video, if you add the video from your computer, then these titles and YouTube things will not show. And now we need to create this. Okay, so for that, for creating the survey box, let's add the sections. I'll use the sections over here. Section will be added up. Now click section, make the content width full page to white, and then we need to create this. First of all, this is the text, headline text, the subtext, and the button. In this row we'll add the headline text, have the subtext, and then we have the button. The button, just come over here and then drag the button. Okay, I will just copy the button style. Here we cannot style. Do one thing, do this one, drag this one into, then I will just decrease the top one, delete it, and duplicate the second text and drag that here, delete this one, then I will just copy the text, paste the text. The same way I will copy the sub, come over here, paste, and we have this button text, so I'll copy the button, here the button text and the subtext, remove it, and the background color will use the same like copy, and from here I will just paste the background color, and from the bottom I delete this solid border color, and do one thing, rounded corner just make it, then it's going to be. So now click this text and make that into 30 or 30 is fine. And now here on the top let's decrease the margin, and from the bottom the subtext from here just decrease the line height. Here we have write the title also, so delete this one. Let's break a line, then it's going to be look like this. Now do one thing, this text the top add 10 pixel margin, then it will be at some same way on the bottom look like this. Now we need to make it like this border. So how can we do? So for doing that, click this row, the row and the row background. So I'll just click over here, paste the color code, and the padding section, the top 50, on the bottom, on the left and right side. On the left and right side, make it 50 right side. Now do one thing, click the margin from the left side, add here 50 pixel, on the right side also, then it would be this. If you need to decrease it more, then and now click over here, make a delete button, and now click this row, make the border radius or okay, make it 20 pixels. Then it's going to be duplicate this, then duplicating this, click the row, make the row background color into transparent. Let's make it white first, and then let's make the background color into transparent. Just make it 100% transparent. Now do one thing, delete this text and also this text, drag the video element. Now click this row, from the right side make it 0, from the left side make it padding, from the right side 0. Now delete the, click the video for the margin, decreased all the margin from the right side, from the top side. Now just do one thing, click this row, some padding, then right side let's make it 50, and left side or we can make it 30 by 30. From this video element, just from the margin section, the top add some, then it would be, and click over here, this add some padding to the bottom, this must 200 pixels. Then click this video element and come over here, let's add more negative margin. Now if we mode going to be see the same kind of, we can do one more thing, we can add more negative, and now it's we will make it look like this. Here you can see one thing, one error this is this much and this going to the right side. And do one thing, click this video element, then from the left side make it 50 pixel, and from the right side also this is going to be look like this. Now save this and preview going to be. So we need to do one thing, come over here, the section, add some more padding, or we can do just click these margins and add some more margin. Click save changes, click over here, it's now pretty similar. And if you want to add some border on this row, then click the row, and then from here border style solid, the border color over here. Let's make click over here, then the border will from the color black, but right now I don't want to add any border, so I'll just over here and the color move the border. So now let's create this survey form. So if I click over here, then it's going to be look like this. So how can we create the survey form? Like creating is very simple. Just open a new tab and then write down here Google Form, then click over here Google Forms, then from here go to forms, and then here just click this plus sections and create a new form, and from here just add those whatever questions you want to ask to your audience. And the form name is digital business survey. I come over here to paste over here, and then the first question is where are you currently with your, then just add the questions over here, and then see here it have 3 options. So from here click over here, we need to add multiple choice. Okay, so here we need to add this. One is launching $0, second is building, this multiple choice, one, this one, come over here, just cut this one and this add other, the second one, and the third one is copy and just decrease these other options because we don't need the other option. And question is this, where are you currently, so just paste. This is our first question, we need to add another question. Click over here, then it would be add another. See, where are you currently with your digital business, 3 options. And second question is this, and here it checkbox, here you can see it's the checkbox. So from here automatic added the checkbox. Now add all the options, 1, paste this, then add second option, this is not here, add option third, this way add all other options, remove this other option. So our second question also done. So now just click over here and our it's, is there anything that you would like to add, a question, comments or concept, just copy the text, come over here, paste, and from here make it paragraph. Then your audience can write here paragraph, and here you can see this prompt and this prompts are required. It means if someone doesn't answer those questions, then he can't submit the form. So for that, click these options and make it required, then click over here and also required, then it will be added a red star like this. Now click send and come over here, this link or this link, copy this link, and come over here, and then this survey box here, see here we added submit form, so don't make it submit form. From here just open URL and here paste and open in a same window or open a new window. I will just make it open in a new, and then click save changes. And if I click save see preview, then see if I click over here, then it will be redirect to so let's click here and let's on the incognito window, and it's going to be, and now if I click over here building, then this one, and then if I click submit form, then the form has been submitted. Here you can, if I come over here, here you can see I don't logged in into my Gmail account, still I can fill the form. So if you want only those people can submit who have signed in Gmail, then do one thing, from here send, and here collect email addresses. From here just click here verify. Then if someone doesn't logged in into his Gmail account, then he can't submit the, but I will just make it do not collect, and then just copy the link and then share it. So it's done. We'll just come, and our funnel creation is, so this was the tutorial for this sales funnel creation on system.io. It's very easy to create. So if you have any questions, or if you are not making the same, then you can do one thing. I will give you the same funnel in the description box. If you can't create the funnel, then you can use this template for free of cost. So just click the second link, then this funnel will automatically import it on your funnel system.io funnel, this funnels. So yes, that's it for this particular video. Thank you for watching, and keep watching.